So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up another notepad, and I'm not going to demonstrate anything malicious right now. This is just going to be a proof of concept so you can see how the system works. I'm going to set the registry path to what we just seen earlier, software, and we're going to do this in PowerShell first. And I could also write this in ICE. In PowerShell, we have ICE built in. It's kind of like Visual Studio, but for PowerShell. You can actually debug and it can show you errors all in real time. But I'm just doing it this way for right now, just to do it simple. Tools that people are familiar with using, like such as Notepad. So I'm going to call the persistence my test persistence. Okay, and our registry value is going to be the path to that test that we just made. So users. No, I'm still thinking I'm an administrator. I'm Cypher now, and I'm going to show y'all another thing on the defensive side when you're investigating as well, so that way we can see both attack and defense. I don't too much see anyone that shows both sides of it all in one, but I'm going to try my best. All right, so that's the path to, desktop. All right, and I'm going to add that registry key by doing this command, set item property. And then we're going to restart so I can show you that it automatically opens with this. Reg path, name, the reg name. So the value will be that text file. Oops. I got the path there. And I'm going to do right host, that's like kind of like type or echo that prints it to the screen. It's going to print it to the screen. I'm going to say persistence have been added. Okay. And I'm going to say this as persist, not PS1. All right, let me open up another notepad. Well, let me do echo. This is another one. I'm going to put it in test2.txt. And let's quit screen, dir, and let's type test2. All right, this is another one. So we're going to do a batch script that does the same thing, but instead of automatically opening the test.txt, it's going to open, this is another one. So one of them's going to say, this computer has been hacked, and another one is going to say, this is another one. Okay, so let's see here. So I'm going to go in and run persist. So I can create that registry. I'm not sure why it's opening Notepad. Let me do PowerShell persist. So it's creating that registry key. It should be. Let's see. Not recognize the command. Maybe I need to name it something else. Maybe it's something that already is similar in names to this. So let's see. Let's call it. I'm gonna call it leech because it's basically a leech. It stays. It's gonna stay there. Let's see. Oh, I'm still in command prompt. I'm so stupid. All right, let's get back in PowerShell and let's run it. All right, persistent has been added, so that's good. Now we can test this by going back to the registry, and you can see it's right here. It's already been added. So when I restart the computer, it's gonna open up that text file. Now I'm gonna do one in batch. I want to show you also one in Visual Basic, but I'm gonna show you these two right now because we got a lot of things we want to cover. All right, so we're gonna start off echo off. This just means it's not gonna print the screen. All right, and we'll do comments in batch like this with dots, 2 colons, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna say adding registry key, and we have variables, so we do set, and I'm gonna do registry key. That's what I'm gonna name it, and I'm going to do the path. Let's see, GCU. I'm gonna do software, Microsoft, Windows current version, run, and I'm going to also do the value. So this is what I'm going to name that registry key. I'm going to say persist2, and I'm going to do set script path to the path of where I just put this other one. So users, Cypher, desktop, test2.txt. All right. And I'm going to do the reg add command. All right. I'm going to add a registry key. So I'm going to get that this is basically referring to this. Okay. All right. And I'm going to get the registry value, which is referring to this. That's what's going to name it. All right. And I'm going to do the script path. All right. And I'm going to echo, and I'm going to say this leech is added to. All right. I'm going to save this one to the desktop. And I'm going to save this one as leech.bat because it's a batch script. Okay. So ls, we got it there, and let's run it. All right. Operation, and let's look at the registry. Let's refresh. If I can find a refresh right there. All right. We see them. Okay. We got both of them added. So usually attacker make these malicious scripts, whether it's PowerShell, Python, whatever they're running, it can also be executable. That's been packaged. But I'm going to go ahead and restart. And I'm going to do a couple things first. I'm going to type in password wrong a couple times. That we're looking at event viewer, and go over those codes after that. But once I get the password in, you're going to see correct. You're going to see these automatically open. Okay. So let me go ahead and close them out so that way you can see everything in real time. All right. Let's do restart. We'll also possibly log into the system as Neo at some point, just to show you that that user is added to the domain as well, and he has access to domain controllers. He won't have the same kind of privileges as admin, but he does have access. Okay. So just waiting on this to come back up. I'm going to go over like event codes, status codes, and things like that, and application security and system logs in Event Viewer. So that way you can see how defense analysts or cybersecurity analysts or SOC analysts, what they're reading off of as far as logs. These logs are usually going to a parser, and it's accurate, it's parsed, and they can see on the scene, which is a security incident and event management system. Okay, so this is just coming up. Yeah, and that way the analyst does not have to go to event view every time and look through these logs. So, all right, restart it. Let's see. Let's log in. I'm gonna get the password wrong a couple times so I can show you. All right, third time's the charm. And we should see those text files open up automatically here in a second because we got that registry key added for both those text files. Oh, okay, so there you go. This is another one. And it's gonna be like that. Okay, so let's go to event view. We can do that by doing Windows X. Event view. All right, and Windows logs. So authentication is done through security logs. All right, let's see here. See what we got. All right, these are system services. Set up. Let's see. All right, so we see log off. May have not updated yet because I don't see the incorrect password as of yet. Let's see. Let me go back further, just a little bit further. Unless I'm not seeing it. Now this event code 4624 is a successful login. We're looking for 4625. Okay, so this might be the one here. Okay. Yeah, this might be the one. Yeah, audit failure. Yep. So when a user does not authenticate, probably it's a 4625. So that's the other failure. Okay. So applications, they have different event IDs as well. So if you're working offense or defensive side, it'll be good to have an idea of some of these general codes and what they mean, because you'll see a lot of logs that have information regarding event IDs, process IDs, parent processes, things of that nature, failure codes. So I would say just to make sure that you're on top of it, make it a note. You don't have to know all of them, but these two are definitely the 4624 and 4625. They're definitely some of the main ones that are important to know. And this is in the security log, okay? All right. So that's all I want to show you on this one. This is a system account SID. When you see this SID, it's a system account. If this was 19, it'd be a local service. It'd be a local service if you see it. So it's a service running with minimal permissions. If it's 20, it's a network service. And if it's 544, it's an admin. Okay? It's an admin. So I'm going ahead and show you a couple things in the next one. It's going to be some common Windows processes and their functions. And we'll also go over dynamic link libraries as well. So that way you can kind of get familiar with Windows and just the basic things that are around there. So that way you know normal, so you can know what's not normal. And this will be beneficial for both offensive and security, defensive security professionals. Okay? So I'll see you next.